Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time seeing this video, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. On this video, I'm going to be giving you an update on what will happen on My Brother's Keeper next week. Monday, Donga is caught in the middle of siding with his father or with Nkubeko. Ndumiso joins Tidi on her run. Tuesday, Donga and Fagazile defend Nkubeko, leading to Fagazile and Nkubeko hitting things up again. Ndumiso finds out the hard way that impressing Tidi is not easy. Wednesday, Doreen squares up to Mshengu, demanding nothing but the naked truth. Donga and Katazile are ships sailing past each other in their marriage as they want different things. Ndumiso finally hits the bull's eye and score a date with the evasive Tidi. Thursday, Doreen tells Mam Kunu she caused her own children's death. Fagazile suggests Katazile tie her tubes. Ndumiso prepares for a date night with Tidi. Friday, the gulf between Tembu and Nkubeko widens, but only Doreen can bring them together. Donga finds out what Katazile was planning to do. Something nice is brewing with Ndumiso and Tidi. Thank you guys. That was all for My Brother's Keeper. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.